Hey, what's up guys? So if you decide to get the vanity in blue, midnight blue from Lowe's, they didn't have a display. Just in case it didn't have a display, you can see it here. So it does come with the countertop and it's pre-cut for your faucet, and it comes with the overflow drain plug. Okay, so give your instructions. They're right here. Nice envelope with instructions. So now this is the vanity in the front side, on the side. The color is very nice. It matters what light hits, and that's the color you will get. So here you can see the lights hitting hard, so you can see the blue. Let me show you little guys more about the inside. So you do have a shelf. Looks just like this. Very good built. Also the hinges are nice as well. You do have stainless steel handles, which I will be replacing that. Now the pretty cool thing about this is this drawer up here. You can see there, it's a little slanted drawer. Maybe you could put a toothbrush or toothpaste or something like that. It does come with another handle. You just have to reverse it and put them on the outside. The hinges are right there. It is perfectly built. For the price, it's not bad. So now the main question, this is the color with a nice bright light. So now if you take off the light, it does look dark. So I'm going to take off the light right now, and you can see there that it becomes blackish, but it is a midnight blue. So that's how it looks without light, and that's how it looks with light. So it matters what lighting you put in your bathroom in order the color to stick out. But this is exactly what you will get from Lowe's as the midnight blue vanity cabinet. Very nice. Love the top pocket. Beautiful.